mobile, she gets a payback voucher and she gets...
Okay, so I think we've got also the kernel of the idea for the next debate. But we will conclude this debate and also how many of you want to shift sides after this debate, because that will really show how far our debaters have succeeded in convincing you otherwise.
There are 4 seats available out here, actually.
So any shifts happening? They've not been able to convince you either ways. So, well. So we haven't really swayed anybody's views. So I guess this side wins. They started off with an advantage, but they fought their case well. So here's to the tier 2 and tier 3 cities. Congratulations. And congratulations to you too. At least you kept your guys.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you. Thanks, everybody.
Thanks.
Okay, can I request all of you to just be there for 15 more seconds? Pradeep, can you give us the vote of thanks? Yeah. And Ramesh and Pradeep can give out some mementos to the speakers.
Can I have the mic? Actually, thanks everybody for coming. I think a great panel and a great set of ideas, and at the commencement of this discussion, the topics typically tend to get divisive, but one of the advantages of having a great set of debaters is that you can see all the sparring action, which is idea and thought-based, and none of them are absolutes. I think the beauty of this entire debate has been that while there is clearly a preference of a certain pre-indication, I think it's the recognition of that there is a wider possibility and many more shades of grey that still remain to be exploited, and I think all of them have brought that up beautifully. So I think, notwithstanding the polarization that one sees here, I believe it's very important to debate a question, then to settle it, then to settle a question without debating it. So I think we've done the latter. I must thank Sadashiv, Amitabh, Atul, and Ronita, and most importantly Mini for hosting a great session and making sure that keeping both the sides on the right side. I must thank the organizers on behalf of IAA team that has given us the opportunity to partner with everybody. Specifically, I'd like to point out Partho, Gayatri, and Rajesh. Rajesh, where are you? I don't see you. You're right there at the back. And our great president, sir, in IAA, Mr. Sundar Swami. Sir, where are you? Oh, Sundar he's probably had a flight to take. So I thank all of them, and thanks once again for a great evening. Partho?
Thank you all. We can go outside for some cocktails and some canapes outside. Thank you.